boys and girls. This video is just going to be counting from 1 to 31 and also learning about the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and how to make those numbers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Now let's count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The number 1, that's one finger. That's one yellow circle. That's one red circle. To form the 1, all you have to do is get your pencil or your dry erase marker, or just do it with me in the air, and you start up at the top and you come straight down. That's all it is. It's just a line straight down. Start at the top, go straight line down. Straight line down. 1. To make the 2, first of all, 2, 1, 2, that's 2 fingers. 2. To make the 2, you start up towards the top of your paper or your board, go up, slant down, cross the ground. Start at the top, around, slide across the bottom. Do it again with me. Up, down, across. One more time. Up, down, across. 2. The number 3 seems to be hard for some people, but again, we've been practicing. You've been listening very closely, so it should be easy for you. First of all, let's review what the 3 looks like. This is 3 fingers. This is 3 fingers. 3 beads. 3. Remember, I'd like you to be able to look at them and say it's 3 without counting. 3, 3. And then with our red and yellow circles, 3. To make the 3, when I first taught you how to make the 3, we imagined there were 2 trees here. You start at the top and you go around the tree, around the tree. That's the way you make a 3. Now let's do it without the tree though, or the trees. Start at the top, around, around, 3. Do it again with me. Around, around. If you're doing it with your finger, around, around. 3. Around, around. Keep practicing the 3 because it does seem to be one that gives people a lot of trouble. Our next number is 4. Can you hold up 4 fingers for me? That seems to be the easiest way. You could also hold up 4 fingers like this. That's 4. This would be 4. 3 and 1 is 4. When we're using our red and yellow magnets, we start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. I can tell that I have 4 because there's 5 white beads and there's still 1 left over here. So that makes me know without counting that that's 4. When we're making the number 4, you start up at the top and you go straight down, across, then go back to the top, down. Let's do it again. Down, over, pick your pencil up, down. Down, over, pick your pencil up, down. Down, over, pick your pencil up, down. A lot of people have trouble with the 4 and they want to do something like this. Don't do that. because if you do, it's going to be a habit you're going to have to break later on. Let's get in the habit of doing it correctly. Don't do that 4. Do it the correct way. Down, over, pick your pencil up, down. Down, over, pick your pencil up, down. That's the 4. This big black and white rectangle that I've been using is actually called a 10 frame. And the reason it's called a 10 frame is there are 10 little squares within the big rectangle. Let's count them and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you remember just now when we counted and we said there were 5 on the top, let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means if we have a circle in each one of the squares on one side, we have 5. And we don't have to count them. We don't have to say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just know there's 5 because we know there's 5 squares. So if there's a circle in each square, we know it's 5 without counting. And the same thing with our rec and rec, which is the fancy name for this red and white object. There's 5 white beads and 5 red beads. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white. That means if I slide all the white ones over, you can look and tell there's no white ones left over here. So you know without having to count that that's 5. And 5 is all the fingers on one hand or all the toes on one foot. When you're making a 5, it's pretty easy. We start up at the top and go straight down a little bit, and then around, pick your pencil up, top. Let's do it again. I'll follow along with my finger. Down, around, top. 5. Let's do it again. Down, around, top. 5. Down, around, top. Now let's review how to make all 5 of those numbers so that you can keep practicing. 1 is straight down. 2, you go around, over. 2. The 3, you go around, around. 3. 4, down, over, pick your pencil up, down. 5, down, around, top. 5. Now, if you keep practicing making 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you'll be in really good shape for kindergarten. Pretty soon, I will teach you how to make 6, 7, 8, and 9. But practice these until I do teach you. I hope you'll keep practicing making the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And also look around your house and see if you can find things that come in 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. For instance, 5 fingers. Have a great rest of the day.